Hello, Tony. Hello, Jenny.
Hello, Gogo. What are they?
They're oranges. Thank you.
Thank you, Tony. What are they? They're bananas.
Are they apples?
Yes, they are.
Are they apples?
No, they aren't. They're pears. These are bananas. These are oranges. These are pears. What are they?
They're bananas.
What are they?
They're oranges.
What are they?
They're pears.
Are they bananas?
Yes, they are.
No, they aren't. They're oranges. Are they bananas?
Yes, they are.
No, they aren't. They're pears. Are they bananas?
Yes, they are.
That's right. They're bananas.
Are they bananas?
Yes, they are.
No, they aren't. They're pears. That's a banana.
That's a banana.
They're bananas.
They're bananas.
That's an orange.
That's an orange.
They're oranges.
They're oranges.
That's an apple.
That's an apple.
They're apples.
They're apples.
Are they apples? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are they apples? Yes, they are. Yes, they're apples. Are they oranges? Yes, they are. Yes, they are.